Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss how to add expressions. Actually, it's a repeated question, repeated lesson because we deal with the same way before. But the new here is how to convert story problems to expression and then add them. Okay? Okay, let's start with the first example in your book, which talk about Dalila signs up for health club and rock climbing. So she signed up for to play one for health club, one for the health club, for one for the health club, and the other for rocking climbing. So what expression represents her total fitness cost after m months? So the variable here is m. M months, number of months. It means her number of months. So before of all, she has to pay initial fees. What is the meaning of initial fees? Initial fees, it's minimal charge or something you have to pay first before you apply to this health club. So she has to pay first initial fees 80 for the health club and per month she had to pay 50. Okay? And for the rock climbing she had to pay 65 first as an initial fees, then 40 per month. So initial fees, it's not each month. No, it only she initial fees pays first time only. Okay, like the fees of your cart or your summation, something like this. Okay, so how to write it? Actually, as you see here, I can write the initial fees first of the health club, which is 80, and then 50 per month, so it's 50m. 50 per month means 50m, so I can write the expression as 80 plus 50m. This is the cost of involving in the gym. Okay. Okay. Second cost is 65 as the initial for rocking climbing. Okay, and 40 per month, so it means 40 m per month because the number of months is, we call it from the beginning m. So the two expression are 80 plus 50 m and 65 plus 40 m. This is the expression we need to add them to know how much she should pay each month, the cost of each month. Okay. Okay, well, to add them, as you see, we will add the cost of health club, then the cost of rocking climb. This is a mass expression now. And as you know, in mass expression, we have to combine like terms. So like terms here, 80 and 65. And another like terms, which is 50m plus 40m. We will use commutative and associative property to collect numbers together, 65 and 80, and collect m's together. To collect numbers together, it will be 80 plus 65 plus 50m plus 40m. So 80 plus 55 will equal 145, and 50m plus 40m equal 90m. So the cost is 145, she will pay directly. And she will pay per month 90 per month. So instead of m, you can put 1, 2, 3. It depends on the number of months she will practice. Okay? This is the whole cost. Another example, the right one. Sophia and Ali Each deposit 120 to open a joint account. Before to open an account in the bank, you have to pay an initial fees, which is the cost of the bank fees or bank papers, something like the documents. Okay, you have to pay 150 21st. Then she will deposit per month 150 per month, so it's 150 um, because it's per month. And always deposits 120 as initial fees. Okay, so it's constant. By the way, the initial fees called constant. It's constant number because it doesn't have variable. Okay, and per month she will put 135 per month, so M. Okay, okay. So how we need to add what expression represents the amount of account after M months for both of them. So first, we will calculate Sophia's deposit, which is 120 plus 150 M, and what Olay's deposits, which is 120 plus 135 M. Okay. Then after we add, we will collect like terms by using commutative and associative property. So it's dash, zigzag, dash. This is the like terms, dashes and zigzags. Okay, we will collect number first. So first will be 120 plus 120. Then the M's 5 or 150 plus 135. So we will collect the numbers first. 120 plus 120 equal 240. And then 150 plus 135 equal 285 M. Don't forget the letter. That's it. This is how to write this relation. Let's move to another example. Next page. Take care about what we say about the store problem, how to read the store problem. It's very important. Listen well to this example. Sandy spent 125 on ingredients for muffins. Okay, so she pay in the beginning. She pay 125. So this is the initial value. Initial value without any letters or any variable. This is for muffins. Okay, and 92.4 on ingredients of bagels. Okay, so she pay at the beginning these two amount of money. Okay, write an expression to represent Sydney's profit for M muffins and B bagel. M muffins means the number of muffins. So how many muffins she spent in the ingredients, this amount of money, how much she will pay to recover. But to know it, actually, to know the exact profit, we have to know the number of what she buy, okay, she buy what? She sell, I'm sorry, the number of what she sell. So in the beginning, for muffin, she sell 2.4 multiply, 2.4 to multiply, how many muffins? It's M. Multiply the number of M, so it's 2.40 M. M is the number of muffins. We will take out the cost, and the remaining will be the profit. So to know the profit equal sells, what she sells, minus cost. The cost, okay? What she paid to get out these muffins and these bagels, okay? So profit equal the cost, the sales, all sales, okay, minus the cost in the beginning. Cost is initial value. Sales, it depends on the number of muffins she sell, okay? And the same with bagel, okay? Let's collect them together to know how much she will, it will be her profit. We will add this amount of first expression plus second expression, collect like terms, as you see, m's here, a term. There is no other m. B, another term. There is no other term. Okay, and the zigzag for the numbers because they are like terms. So I have only two like terms, which is these two numbers. Okay, so we will first write m and b without adding them together because they have different variable, different letter, and we can add last number, which is negative 125 minus 92.4. Same sign. Take care about the sign rule. Same sign. Put the sign and add. So put negative. Then add the numbers. It will be 215.4. And leave M and B as it is because they are not like 10. So this is the last answer. Last answer will be consists of three terms. One for the muffin and one for the bagels and the initial minus the initial the cost of what she paid. Okay. Another example. Direct example without story problem or something. Direct example. So we'll collect like terms, x's together, then y's together, then at last the numbers. Okay. Collect each term together and take care about the sign, please. Please take care about the sign. First one is all positive, so we will add. Second one is both negative, so we'll put the sign and add. Third one, negative, positive, sign of big and subtract, so it's positive 2. And this is the last answer. Okay? Okay. Again, let's move to solve some story problem about what I have one of your friends asks me while we're doing the online session, so I will solve it now and take care about it, please, because it has some of the geometrical data. Before I start this example, I need to know something. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Actually, the perimeter of any polygon means any shape has sides and is closed shape. So polygon means multi-closed shape, has many sides, okay, multi-sides, closed shape, and it's closed. If you put ant here, she can't get out, okay? She can't get out because it's closed. So what is the perimeter of triangle? Actually, the perimeter of triangle is the sum of its sides. So if I have A, B, C, the perimeter equal AB as a length, the length of AB plus BC plus AC. That's it. Do you remember it? If you don't remember, just know it now. The perimeter of any triangle is the sum of its outer side. Okay? Okay. Let's move to the example. Actually, our example I think I don't have the document of it. Let's see if it's this one or not. No, it's the next page. It's the next page. Okay. I will ask for it. Which page? This page, yes. Yes, it's number 13. Okay? The problem is number 13. Okay? The problem is talking about a triangle. Okay? As you see here, this is the problem. Number 13. Okay. The problem is taking an art class is making a mural for the school that has triangle drawing in the middle. So in the middle we have a triangle. Consider that this is the triangle. Okay? The length of the bottom of the triangle is x. The bottom is this part, is x. So this part is x. Okay? This is the length. And another side is one more than 3 times the length of the bottom of the triangle. So another side, consider it, this side is one more means it's more. So 1 plus what? 1 more than the 3 times of the bottom length. 3 times means 3 of bottom length. Bottom length here is x, so it's 1 plus 3x. Okay? So it's 1 plus 3x. So it's 1 more than 3 times. 1 more than is more than. So it's bigger than 1. The 3 times means 3x of the bottom. Okay? What about this last one? The last side is 2 more than the bottom. 2 more than, so it's 2. More than, it's plus. What? X. Okay? So 2 more than the bottom. It's more than the bottom. So we have the 3 sides now. Okay? He asks me, write an expression of the perimeter of the triangle. As we know, the perimeter equals the sum of all sides. So perimeter equals, first side is x plus second side is 1 plus 3x, and the third side is 2 plus x. Let's collect like terms together, x's with x's with x's, and numbers with numbers. So I can write 1 plus 2 plus x plus 3x, second term, plus x. Let's collect like terms together. You will find that you have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus x plus 3x, it's 4x, plus x, it's 5x. So plus 5x, and this is the last answer. This is the expression which can represent the perimeter of a triangle. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time. Bye.